Being a mum is the most rewarding job in the world. It's a role filled with endless love, joy, and unforgettable moments. From the first time you hold your baby in your arms to watching them take their first steps, every milestone is a precious memory etched in your heart forever. It's also, let's be honest, a complete and utter whirlwind. The house is often a mess, with toys scattered everywhere, and the noise level can sometimes be overwhelming. There are days when you feel like you're barely holding it together, and that's perfectly okay. From the moment your little ones open their eyes in the morning, to the second your head hits the pillow, sometimes you're on call, tending to their needs, nurturing their dreams, and navigating the beautiful chaos that comes with motherhood. Every day is a new adventure, filled with both challenges and triumphs. You become a master multitasker, juggling everything from school runs to bedtime stories, all while trying to maintain some semblance of order in your home. In the midst of juggling school runs, play dates, meal prep, and maybe even a little work on the side, it's easy to let self-care take a back seat. You might find yourself skipping meals, sacrificing sleep, and neglecting your own needs just to keep everything running smoothly. But it's important to remember that taking care of yourself is not a luxury, it's a necessity. But here's the thing, taking care of yourself, even in small ways, can make a world of difference in how you feel. A few moments of self-care can recharge your batteries and help you face the day with renewed energy. Whether it's a relaxing bubble bath, a quiet cup of coffee, or a few minutes spent doing something you love, these small acts of self-kindness can have a big impact. And sometimes all it takes is a few minutes to add a touch of polish and boost your confidence. A quick makeup routine can be a simple yet powerful way to feel more put together and ready to tackle whatever the day throws at you. It's not about looking perfect, it's about feeling good in your own skin and embracing your natural beauty. We know you don't have much time to spare. Between the demands of motherhood and everything else on your plate, finding even a few minutes for yourself can seem impossible. But those few minutes can make a huge difference in how you feel and how you approach your day. That's why we've put together a simple 5-minute makeup routine. This routine is designed to be quick and easy, so you can fit it into your busy schedule without any hassle. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty and giving you that extra boost of confidence to face the day. This isn't about masking your natural beauty, but rather enhancing it and giving you that extra pep in your step to conquer the day. With just a few simple steps, you can create a look that makes you feel confident and ready to take on whatever comes your way. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a makeup newbie, join us as we unlock the secrets to a quick and easy makeup routine designed specifically for busy mums like you. We'll show you how to make the most of your time and look your best, even on the busiest of days, because you deserve to feel beautiful, confident, and ready to take on the world one whirlwind day at a time. Let's face it, time is a precious commodity for mums. Between getting the kids ready for school, preparing meals, and managing a household, it can feel like there are never enough hours in the day. Who has hours to spend on a complicated makeup routine when there are snacks to be made and toys to be tidied? The reality is, most mums are juggling multiple tasks at once, and finding time for themselves often falls to the bottom of the list. The good news is, you don't need a lot of time to look and feel your best. A streamlined makeup routine can make a world of difference, boosting your confidence and helping you feel more put together, even on the busiest of days. With just 5 minutes and a handful of carefully selected products, you can create a natural, radiant look that will carry you from school drop-off to grocery shopping and beyond. Imagine starting your day with a fresh face that makes you feel ready to tackle anything that comes your way. Here's your 5-minute makeup plan, a simple, effective routine that fits seamlessly into your busy schedule. Start with a clean canvas. The foundation of any great makeup look is clean, well-prepped skin. Begin your routine with a quick splash of water and a gentle cleanser to refresh your skin and create a smooth base for your makeup. This step not only wakes you up but also ensures that your makeup goes on evenly and lasts longer. A quick splash of water and a gentle cleanser will refresh your skin and create a smooth base for your makeup. Choose a cleanser that suits your skin type, whether it's oily, dry, or combination, to ensure your skin feels comfortable and balanced. BB cream to the rescue. Skip the heavy foundation and opt for a multitasking BB cream instead. BB creams are a fantastic option for busy moms because they combine several steps into one. They provide hydration, sun protection, and light coverage, all in one easy-to-apply product. Skip the heavy foundation and opt for a multitasking BB cream instead. These miracle workers provide hydration, sun protection, and light coverage all in one. They are perfect for those days when you need to look polished, but don't have the time for a full face of makeup. These miracle workers provide hydration, sun protection, and light coverage all in one. Conceal and brighten. Next, dab a bit of concealer under your eyes and on any blemishes to even out your skin tone and brighten up your face. This step is crucial for looking awake and refreshed, even if you didn't get a full night's sleep. Dab a bit of concealer under your eyes and on any blemishes to even out your skin tone and brighten up your face. Choose a concealer that matches your skin tone and has a creamy, blendable texture for the best results. Add a pop of color. A touch of blush on the apples of your cheeks will give you a healthy, youthful glow. Blush is a quick and easy way to add some life to your complexion and make you look more awake and vibrant. A touch of blush on the apples of your cheeks will give you a healthy, youthful glow. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone, whether it's a soft pink, a warm peach, or a deeper berry hue. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone. Define your eyes. Curl your lashes and swipe on a coat or two of mascara to open up your eyes and make them sparkle. This step takes just a minute but makes a big impact, helping you look more awake and polished. Curl your lashes and swipe on a coat or two of mascara to open up your eyes and make them sparkle. And that's it. In just 5 simple steps, you've created a natural, radiant look that will help you feel confident and ready to take on the day. 5 simple steps to a more polished and put together you. Remember, taking a few minutes for yourself each morning can set a positive tone for the rest of the day, so go ahead. Streamline your makeup routine and embrace the confidence that comes with looking and feeling your best. When it comes to a 5-minute makeup routine, multitasking products are your best friends. Look for products that can do double or even triple duty, saving you precious time and space in your makeup bag. Here are a few must-haves: tinted moisturizer or BB cream. Combines the benefits of moisturizer, foundation and sunscreen in one easy step. Choose a formula that matches your skin type and provides adequate sun protection. Cream blush can be used on both your cheeks and lips for a quick and easy monochromatic look. Eyeshadow sticks. These handy sticks make applying eyeshadow a breeze. Simply swipe and blend with your fingertip for a wash of color on your eyelids. By streamlining your makeup bag with these multitasking marvels, you'll not only save time in the morning but also reduce clutter and make it easier to find what you need when you're short on time. We all know that life with kids can be unpredictable. One moment everything is calm and serene, and the next, chaos ensues. Whether it's an unexpected spill, a sudden tantrum, or an impromptu playdate, mums need to be ready for anything. One minute you're sipping your coffee, enjoying a rare moment of peace and quiet. The next you're wiping away spills and chasing after toddlers. It's a whirlwind, but it's also a beautiful part of motherhood. To keep your makeup looking fresh throughout the day, consider these touch-up tips. They are simple, quick, and can make a world of difference in how you feel and look. Blot away shine. Keep a pack of blotting papers in your purse to absorb excess oil and shine without disturbing your makeup. These handy little sheets are lifesavers, especially during those hot summer days or when you're running around doing errands. Lip and cheek tint. A quick dab of a lip and cheek tint can instantly brighten up your complexion and add a touch of color to your lips. It's a versatile product that can be used in multiple ways, saving you space in your bag and time during your touch-ups. Waterproof mascara. Invest in a good waterproof mascara to prevent smudging and smearing, especially if you're prone to watery eyes, those emotional goodbyes at school drop-off, anyone? This type of mascara ensures that your lashes stay voluminous and defined all day long, no matter what. Remember, even the most perfectly applied makeup can benefit from a little touch-up throughout the day. It's not about perfection, but about feeling good and confident in your skin. By having a few key products on hand, you can easily refresh your look and feel confident and radiant from morning till night. These small touch-ups can make a big difference, helping you to face whatever the day throws at you with grace and poise. So embrace the unpredictability of life with kids, and remember that a little preparation can go a long way. With these tips, you'll be ready to handle anything that comes your way, all while looking and feeling your best.